I know where there's some, right here in the hall, clerk.
No, Molly, I have no.
This is my interim project. I got this from a guy over near the Oregon coast who was very generous and gave it to me. I didn't even know I wanted a turntable again. I haven't had a turntable in years. I didn't even know I wanted a turntable again until I saw it. He said, "You want this?" I said, "Yes, I do." So it's a Garrard Zero 92 model. What to say about it? It's you know, not the very top of the line of the Garrard turntables, but it's pretty decent. It does 33 and a third, 45s and 78s. And I know without even looking that the rubber rollers on the inside of here are shot. So I will go ahead. Well, I'll open it up first. Needs a lot of cleanup and some housekeeping and relubing, I'm sure, down under there. And I got the service booklet for it, which is really handy, from another source. I might try my rejuvenation method on the rubber rollers and see if that works. I don't know honestly how many are in here. Could be 2 or 3 or just 1. I don't think this is a direct drive turntable, but boy, it's nice to have one on hand again, even if it doesn't work yet. I'll fix it though. So this is going to be my while I'm waiting project. While I'm waiting for the stuff to dry on the cabinet, and I'm waiting for a new potentiometer before I can see if I've, pardon. Oh, jeez. Mustang with cutouts. It's summer. It got to be summer today. Anyway, while I'm waiting for, I haven't even been able to find out whether I've screwed the RPC up or not. Wouldn't put it past myself, but we'll see. So I'm going to start on this just to fill some time. Pardon me. We'll start by getting this platter off, and it's really dirty. This is really filthy in here too. It's the case looks okay, except that it's fake wood. If I ever get fall into the fit of having to do some woodwork someday, I might make a new one, but not today. Got other things going on. So to get the platter off, you have to remove this disc right here without tearing up the rest of the player too much. Now it's gone. Inside there's the equivalent of an easy to remove. There's no such thing as an easy to remove C-ring, except that is an easy to remove C-ring. It's very nice. And then this should just lift straight up out of here. Thusly. Gear drive. The inside's nice and clean. That's peachy. And in here, oh, there's the drive roller. Boy, it feels in pretty good shape. Even still gives a bit. Wow. I might soak it in my special solution anyway, just to soften it up a bit more, but it really feels just fine. Let's see, that's locked. No, that's not locked. No, it's locked. Here's the underside. It's pretty clean, not too bad. Pretty hefty motor. I'll have to test that, of course, but I'm sure it works. It's not all green, grimy, and nasty like that.
But that ain't the way I heard it.
The last turntable I did, so this should be a piece of cheese. Power cord is okay. Ground cable here. A couple of RCA plugs here for the plug into the stereo or preamp. So there are the switches on the top deck. Doesn't feel bad. Doesn't feel gummy at all. Nice. Okay. Well, this shouldn't be bad at all. Well, I think I'll just take that roller off and give it a good soak. And wintergreen and wintergreen oil and alcohol mix and soften it up for starters. And while that's soaking, I'll just give this a general cleanup. See you next time.
The makers of Johnson's Wax.